start again. See, because reason is, see here, limit n tending to infinity a power n whenever you have. Limit n tending to infinity a power n you have. So here a is anything can possible. This a can be equal to 1 or can be 0 to 1 or can be greater than 1. So I told now if it is 1, so what happens here? If I substitute the limit 1 power infinity, that is going to be 1. If it is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, any number, power infinity will give you 0 answer. Now, if it is greater than 1, greater than 2 power infinity is infinity. Na? 2 power infinity will be how much infinity? 2 is multiplied infinity times infinity. So, here this is called built-in limit. Okay, it is clear. Now, if this is clear, now according to this, let me answer. Let you answer this. X square treat as a. So now a power n minus 1 by a power n plus 1 is there. So if I x square is this is I get 0 minus 1, correct? This one how much I get is equal to 1 is 1 I get. 1 I get. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is I am going to get 0 by 2 is 0. So x square equal to 1 0. Now next case is what? X square. Next case where you have to see x square in between of 0 and 1. X square in between of 0 and 1. If x square is in between of 0 and 1, what I get answer? According to here is 0. So what I get here? 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1. I am going to get minus 1 answer. If a greater than 1, last case is x square greater than 1. If x square greater than 1, infinity is the answer. So to solve this one, what we will do here? Divide by x power 2 power n. You have to divide this. So solving this one, how you solve here? Limit n tending to infinity. You divide by, because infinity is getting, infinity by infinity form getting. So what you have to do? You have to divide by x power 2n. So 1 minus 1 by x power 2n divided by 1 plus 1 upon x power 2n. You are going to divide by x power 2n. When you divide by x power 2n, you are going to get this. Now, if you substitute the limit, 1 by infinity is 0. So, what I am going to get? 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. I am going to get one answer. This is 1. So, what I got the answer? This question as I made into these boxes. Now, did you understand? F of x is derived in another way. F of x, how it is defined? 0 when x square equal to 1 and minus 1 when x square in between of 1 and 0 and 1 when x square is greater than 1. Did you understand these steps? Did you understand this? Hello? Yeah. Great. Why today you are not speaking? Yeah. So write down these steps. I will explain next what to write. Now we have to check now function is defined. Can you check the continuity? Can you check the continuity? So what points you have to see here? Now this is the function and this original function is converted into this simple function. Now you have to check the continuity of this function. Where it is continuous, where it is discontinuous. Where you have to check 1, 0, 1, these places. No? So that places you have to check. So first note down this one. I will explain. Please note down this. Please note it down this. Please note it down this. X square greater than infinity or 1 minus correct only. I wrote 1 minus 1 0. Right? If you have completed, let me know. Please, if you have copied, complete or erase. Okay, fine. Okay. Now here, now let's see here. See, it is advanced based one. Limiting, built-in limit is advanced based. Okay. So now what we can write here? Just see. I can write f of x is equal to. I can write f of x is equals to f of x is equal to. Now see here, x square is equal to 1. It means x is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So x is equal to 1, it is 0. X is equal to minus 1, also it is 0. Okay. Now here x square equal to 1 means x is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. If next one is x square greater than 1 is there. X square greater than 1 inequality solution. What I get x square greater than 1 solution? What is the solution for x square greater than 1? Can I write this is x square minus 1 greater than 0? So can I write here x plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0? Take on the number line. Take on the number line. Here plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. I can write little up. I'll write little up. Okay. See here x square greater than 1, x square minus 1 greater than 0, x plus 1 into x minus 1 is greater than 0. If you take on the number line, I have told you, wavy curve method. So this is minus 1, this is plus 1, it is minus infinity, plus minus plus, and if I draw the graph, it comes like this. So what is the answer here? It minus 1. So if I take this answer is 1, 1 it will be where to where? Minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Okay. X greater than 1 means this is only x square greater than 1, x square minus 1 greater than 1. This is I am going to get plus 1 and minus 1 and 1 to infinity. This is the answer is 1. Correct. Means to check the left hand limit and right hand limit, this will be useful. That's what I want to tell. Means if x is less than minus 1 is 1. If x is greater than 1 also 1. Okay. So that is the answer for this. So now can you check the discontinuity where this will be discontinuous? Where this function is discontinuous? Can you tell me where this function is discontinuous? When you get minus 1, when you get minus 1, when you get minus 1 here, when you get minus 1, 0 to 1, it means x square less than 1, that is x square minus 1 less than 1, so x plus 1 into x minus 1 less than 0, so plus 1 to minus 1, plus 1 to x in between of plus 1 to minus 1, I get minus 1. Okay, so now you have to check the left hand limit and right hand limit at x is equal to 0, 1, minus 1 and tell me is it continuous or discontinuous? Is it continuous or discontinuous? You just check me and check and tell me that's it. See, this is defined easily. Now you have to check. You have to check whether it is continuous or not continuous. How to check continuous or discontinuous? Check 0 plus. See, f of 0 plus you check. What is f of 0 plus? 0 plus where you get here? 0 plus which branch? 0 plus in this you get, no? Where 0 plus you will have? In this is 0 you are going to get, here not getting 0. Here also not getting 0. So at 0 is discontinuous. 0 it is discontinuous. Okay, x square greater than 0. Yeah. X square greater than 0. So x 0 to infinity. Here 0 to infinity is 0. So x square greater than 0, you are getting 0. Okay, x square greater than 0, you are getting 0. Right now you can check the Discontinuous at 1 and minus 1, correct. Discontinuous at 1 minus 1, yes, correct. Discontinuous at 1 and minus 1. That is the correct answer. Check it here, 1. At 1, you can see here 1 plus. 1 plus means 1 plus. 1 plus you are going to get in this. It is 1 plus you are going to get 1. 1 minus you are getting minus 1. Okay. So here 0 plus is left-handed, here 0 plus is right-handed continuous. At 0 it is right continuous, 0 at right continuous. And 1 and minus 1 it is discontinuous. Why it is discontinuous? If you see that 1 plus means you are going to get here 1 plus, answer is 1. 1 minus means here 1 minus is not, you are going to get minus 1. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, it is discontinuous. Now f of minus 1, where you have to take minus 1. Minus 1 plus is here, that is answer is minus 1. F of minus 1 minus. Minus 1 minus is, this is the branch, that is plus 1. So LHL is not equal to RHL in this case. So it is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 minus 1. This is the answer. Did you understand? Did you understand? Okay. Understood now? Yeah, great. So if whenever you get built-in limits, you have to change like this. Okay? Whenever you get built-in limits, you have to change like this and check. Now I will discuss one sign. So to make you understand clearly, I will explain one good question. Okay. So this is most important one that I am going to explain you. The previous one is to understanding only. That is to understanding. Just to understand. So now I am going to explain one question, one best question. So that will clear your concepts. See here. This is very important one. Make it star and write. This is the main question. If f of x is equal to limit n tending to infinity sin x power 2n, then f of x is dash. Option A, discontinuous at x is equal to pi by 2, continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Third one, discontinuous at x is equal to minus pi by 2. Fourth one, discontinuous at infinite number of points. It's a most important question. The previous question, if you not understand, also not a problem, but this is very important one. Previous one also little bit important only, that is advanced level. This is also advanced level. These are advanced level. So you need to understand this concept very clearly. The question is f of x is equal to limit n tending to infinity sin x to the power of 2n, then f of x is dash. Sin x to the power of 2n, then f of x is dash. So same, the base is the same. See, this is also same according to the previous knowledge. Okay, so let's solve here. Is it greatest integer? And now listen to me carefully. See here, as per the built-in limit concept, limit n tending to infinity a power n. This is equal to how much? n tending to infinity a power n is equal, if a is equal to 1, so 1 power infinity is 1. If 1 is a is in between of 0 to 1, then this will be 0. If a is greater than 1, this will be infinity. This is what the built-in limit condition. See here, this is I can write as f of x is equal to limit n tending to infinity. I can write this one as sin x, sin square x. Can I write here? Sin square x to the power of n. Sin square x to the power of n. You know sin x graph is on. What is the graph of sin x? This is the graph of sin x. This is the graph of sin x. So this will be the graph. This is the shape of graph of sin x. When it is sin square x, what happens? When it is a sin square x, the graph will be like this. Here you get here, and then you get again here, and then you get like this. This is sin square x graph. Sin square x graph will be like this. Okay, this is sin square x graph, this is sin x graph. Even more sin x graph also same. This is y is equal to sin x. This is y is equal to sin square x. Now you know the sin x. What is the range of sin x? Sin x will, what is the range of sin x? Minus 1 to plus 1. What is the range of sin square x? Sin square x range is what? 0 to 1. Because if you do squaring, the sin square x 0 to 1. So built-in limit I can apply 0 to 1. It means I can apply 0 to 1 means I can apply here. A greater than 1 I cannot apply. This one I can't apply. Listen to me. I cannot apply for this one. This one I cannot apply. So what? Whenever you have limit n tending to infinity problems, you have to redefine this function. Like previously I redefined function. Same way, you have to redefine the function, then you have to check the limit. Therefore here, this is if I redefine how I get this function. This function I will get. Please note down this, I will explain. Can I write anywhere? Here, even can I write here? Here is it visible? Can I write here? Is it visible here? See, this is advanced. Okay. If you are not understanding, let me know. See, built-in limit concept. If you understand this, everything is clear, sir. Previous also, do you understand or not? Hello? Are you understanding or no? Sangeeta. Did you understand? Hello? Understanding. Okay, fine. So here, this is what you have. Then you have this one. So I have to change. This is the function. Please note down this. I will change. Please note down that I will change it. Very simple question. Previous question also. If not, please, if anybody, one thing, don't write there. Okay, okay, I'm not writing. One more thing I'm telling you. If the previous question not understand, ask me again, I will explain. There is no problem because it is a built-in limit, advanced concept. And if you are able to understand, then only I will proceed. Otherwise, I will not explain it. Okay. Previous question you understood, everybody? Same, this is also same like that, only I am going to do it. Nothing I am going to do special. I am going to do the same thing. Yes, and don't write. Yes, understood. Okay, fine. Now, after completing this, finishing this, please tell me. Just inform me. Done? You can speak instead of typing, you can speak.
Yes, sir, done.
Done? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, one more thing. Tell me the previous question you have understood. The previous question what I explained. I separated na boxes. Like that is you learned na baby curve method. According to that only I separated them. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here, what I have to do here, this question I have to redefine. Only built-in limit what we do here, we will redefine this function. Okay. Now I am going to redefine this. Now if I redefine how I get here, f of x is equal to what I am going to get here. F of x is equal to I am going to get. I can use 0 to 1, right? 0 to 1. When I use x belongs to like sin x, is it sin square x? Sin square x, here I am telling here, sin square x belongs to closed interval 0 comma 1. Then I get how much if I take this sin square x closed interval 0 comma 1. If I raise the power, I am going to get the answer is 0. If I take sin square x is equal to exactly 1. If I take, see here, my sin square x range is where to where? 0 to 1 closed. So I can take where to where here? 0 to 1. Sin square x I can take two branches, no? Sin square x. I can take 0 to 1 and I can take what? Exactly 1. Because according to this built-in limit है ना, ये तीन ही चांसेस होते हैं और ये ग्रेटर देन 1 तो नहीं होगा, ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा ना, इसका रेंज में ग्रेटर देन 1 तो नहीं आएगा, तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया बिल्ट-इन लिमिट में, only these two. And here I am going to get how much? 1 power infinity is how much? 1 na. So where this function is discontinuous, sin square equal x is equal to 1 na. Whenever sin square x will become 1, then it will be discontinuous na. So sin square x is equal to 1. When it happens sin square x is 1, when x belongs to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2. Did you understand what I said? Hello?
Yes, understood.
Others, everyone? Hello? Can I know, is it you understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, very great, sir. Very great. So जब है ना ये ब्रेक होता है उधर ही डिसकंटिन्यू होता है. If you want to see graphically, I will show you. See graphically, if I see this is x is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to, let us take pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 I take. So if f of pi by 2 is, if I take pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, I will get one answer. Means f of pi by 2 is 1. F of pi by 2 is 1. And now I require what? Left hand limit and right hand limit. F of pi by 2 minus and f of pi by 2 plus. Okay, if f of pi by 2, see, f of pi by 2 minus means here, this is approaching f of pi by 2 minus is this, and this will be below 1, and f of x is here, right side and left side, below 1. So below 1 is there and it is sin square na. So sin में क्या होगा? That will be becomes what? 0 point something something. Its square is going to get 0.000 something, and that value will not be equal to value of the function. So that is discontinuous because it is going to get greatest integer, right? Where it is sin square x, yeah. So how many places it will come? Pi by 2, next 3 pi by 2, next like 7 pi by 2, next here minus pi by 2, here these places. So here the answer is D. It is discontinuous in the infinite points. It is discontinuous in infinite points. Infinite points, it will be discontinuous. Understood? What happened? Understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Can we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
If any doubt you have, please let me know. If you get any doubt, let me know. आपको कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो सर. Okay, fine. Now composite, last concept, write down. Discontinuity on composite function. Composite function, that's last concept. Means that if that one second. Discontinuity or continuous on composite function. So we have to check discontinuity of the composite function. Where this will be discontinuous. Okay. Let's take an example. If f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 by x minus 2, then discuss the discontinuity of then discuss the discontinuity of f circle g of x, f circle g of x or g circle f of x, whatever it may be. G circle f of x can I discuss, or f circle g of x? G circle f of x I will. G circle f of x. Discuss the discontinuity of z circle f of x. So whenever you are doing this thing, you have to write as g circle f of x is equal to g break f of x. So whenever f of x is not defined, then g circle f of x also not defined. So we have to check that where this f of x is not defined. Wherever f of x is not defined, there will be g of x not defined. Like g circle f of x not defined. So the function, given function f of x is what? X plus 1 by x minus 1. So it is not defined when if x minus 1 is equal to 0, not defined. So x is equal to 1, not defined, means x is equal to 1 is the discontinuity of the function. This is the discontinuity of the function. X is equal to 1. Again, where it will be discontinuous? Now substitute g circle f of x here. You know g circle f of x is what? G, in place of g I can write f of x. What is the meaning of g circle f of x? Wherever f of, here I have to substitute 1 upon, in the place f of x I can write as f of x minus 2. Isn't right? Did you understand what I wrote? F of x minus g circle f of x means what? This is only. So f of x, when it is not defined, now check, tell me when this function is not defined, when f of x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the condition here? f of x is equal to 2. So when f of x is 2, at that time also g circle f of x not defined. So what is f of x here? X plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 2. So if you solve here, x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. X minus 2x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Minus x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 3. Therefore, G circle f of x is not defined at x is equal to 1 comma 3. This is the point of discontinuity. I repeat again. Whenever you get composite function and you want to find the discontinuity of the composite function, what we do here, this is f of x is given, this is g of x is given. If they are asking to find g circle f of x, we need to check that where this function f of x not defined. So we are taking the function f of x and now we are checking where it is not defined. So x is equal to 1 not defined, that is the discontinuity place. Wherever it is not defined, that is a discontinuity place. X is equal to 1, it is discontinuous. Then after, what we do here, we take g circle f of x and in the place of x in g, we substitute f of x. Now, what is the condition when this function g circle f of x not defined? When this is 0. So f of x minus 2 is 0, then it is not defined. So f of x is equal to 2 not defined. What is f of x? X plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 2. What I got x value? 3. X is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. The function is discontinuous. Did you understand?
Yes, understood.
Others? Others you have understood? Yeah. What about others? Yeah, Prathamesh, Athar. Okay, very good. Then note down. Please note it down. So composite function is, this is the way to check, and this is the last concept of the continuity. So built-in limit, again I am telling you, built-in limit concept, if you not understand, I will reteach again if you are not understand. You let me know if you are not understand, I will take more questions, I will explain. But that are the two questions which I explained, they are the standard questions. The standard questions that are possible to ask in advance, the built-in limit questions. So just simple is built-in limit, what to do is you have to redefine the function and then after redefine you have to check where it is discontinuous. That's it. You have to check that where the function is discontinuous. That is the rule for built-in limit. If you have any doubts in built-in limits, you can ask. And this is the continuity. This is composite function. How to check composite function? This is a rule. We'll do one more question so you will get more idea. Please note it down. Composite function questions, only one question is there. I'll check one more question. If it is completed, let me know. If you are not understanding, tell me please. Okay. So concept I can explain in 2-3 methods if you are not understanding. Composite. Composite function. Okay. Any question if you want to check composite function, wherever f of x is not defined, there G circle f of x not defined. After substituting again the function wherever is not defined, there you have to check the point of discontinuity. That's all. Next question. One of the important question, make it star. It is previous year question. Y is equal to 1 upon t square plus t minus 2, where t is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Find the number of points where, find the number of points, find the number of points where, find the number of points where y is equal to f of x is discontinuous, discontinuous. This is a question, it's important question. Okay. We have to check that y is equal to 1 upon t square plus t minus 2, where t is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Find the number of points where y is equal to f of x is discontinuous. Okay. Now when here you have this condition, so you just try to make this function y is equal to 1 upon, make into factors. So this I can write what here, t square plus t minus 2 I can write as t square plus 2t minus t minus 2, t common out, t plus 2 minus 1 common out, t plus 2 you get as t plus 2 into t minus 1 are the factors. So here I can write as t plus 2 into t minus 1 are the factors. When this function not defined, when this is not defined, when t is equal to 1 and t is equal to minus 2. Actually, what is t here? What is t? Substitute here. So t is equal to 1 and t is equal to minus 2, discontinuous. What is t here? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to x minus 1. X is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, it is discontinuous. Okay, now when it is not, again 1 by x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So 1 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So what I am going to get here, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 2x. So what I get here, minus 1 is equal to minus 2x, x is equal to half. You are getting, these are the points. Now tell me where this function is discontinuous. Where this is discontinuous? Where is this discontinuous? Where points, which points this is discontinuous? At x is equal, here t is equal to 1, y is equal to f of x is there, na? So if I take here f of x, this is also will be there, x square plus x minus 2. So the discontinuities places are x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to half. Where this function is y is equal to f of x is discontinuous. 1 minus 2 half. No? 1 2 1 2. You are getting minus 2 anywhere? You are not getting minus 2. No? Yeah. So at these points it is discontinuous. Check it out. What are the points you have here? Here I have to check for x, f of x. So this will be discussed. Okay, f of x I have to check, not f of t. Okay, see here, x value I got 2, x value I got half, and here in this, from here, x is not equal to 1, x is equal to 1, discontinuous. Minus 2, no, don't take this. See, I repeat again, y is equal to 1 upon t plus 2 into t minus 1. This will be discontinuous at t equal to 1, t is equal to minus 2. But I want in x, y is equal to f of x. So here in this place 1 upon x minus 1, this will be discontinuous when x is equal to 1. If it is x is equal to 1, this will be discontinuous. And t value I got 1 minus 2. Let us substitute t is equal to 1 at once and t is equal to minus 2 once. From this I got x is 2. From this I got x is half. So which places it is discontinuous? X is equal to 1, 1, 2, half. At these places the function is discontinuous. Did you understand? Minus 2 don't take. Minus 2 no. No, yeah, Prathamesh correct. Minus 2 you should not take. Okay. Is it clear to all?
Yes, clear.
Please don't. Yes, what happened?
Understood.
Okay. Purva?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please note it down. So this is the concept. Almost all type of questions I covered in the like limits and continuity. Continuity topic is done and limits concept is done. And in future, see one thing I am telling you, whole syllabus over. See, I am teaching you all just mains level and more than mains level. Okay, it will all the concepts are advanced level is going to touch, but advanced level some more questions we will discuss not now after completing the syllabus. Okay, right now what are there that I am trying to cover maximum questions. How what type of questions important questions are there that I cover. So here if you want to learn more depth, you can take calculus purpose. Balaji publication will be there. SK Goyal Balaji publication SK Goyal. In that you can find good questions. Or GN Burman. GN Burman. Both are standard books. GN Burman and Balaji publication. Balaji publication author SK Goyal. Cengage books I shared in the group. If you want all Cengage books I'll share. Cengage is what completely advanced level, not useful for mains level. Complete advanced level, and one more thing is Cengage. It is complete advanced level, and some concept are behind the advanced also. So you can solve that also if you want. I will share the Cengage book also. Amit Agarwal, Aryan is good. SK Goyal is good. SK Goyal, they are good. Okay. Now, let me explain next questions. What are the questions? Let me take it. Questions I have to take. No? The question is, these are extra question. Find the value of k for which find the value of k for which find the value of k for which the function f of x is equals to 4 by 5 to the power of tan 4x by tan 5x when x is in between of pi by 2 to 0, k plus 2 by 5 when x is equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2 is dash. Okay, this is asked in 2017 JEE mains. JEE mains question 2017. JEE mains 2017 question. The question is tan 4x upon tan 5x. This is given tan 4x upon tan 5x. All concepts are over. In continuity, concepts over. Maximum important questions also I covered. Let's solve this. This is JEE Mains 2017 question. Now let's see how to solve. So when f of pi by 2 is answer, they given pi by 2, that is k plus 2 by 5. This is given. Now what I have to find? Limit. See, this is why I am explaining. I'll tell you. When limit is, I'll check that pi by 2 minus. Limit f of pi by 2 minus means left hand limit. I am checking left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to value of the function because it is continuous function. So left hand limit means f of pi by 2 minus. So now 4 by 5 whole power tan, this is there. So what I do here, limit I'll take, limit extending to pi by 2. I will find for this top numerator means that power only I will find. So tan 4x by tan 5x I will find. Okay, that will be because I know the power, I can take limit to the power. If I have base, I can take to the power. So what I get here, I can write limit extending to pi by 2. Limit of the function is equal to value of the function. That's what I am trying. Tan I can write tan 4x by, to get this balance, I have to multiply with 4x, I have to divide by 4x. Then here this down one, if I separate the limit, okay, I will separate the limit then. Limit x tending to pi by 2. And then I write here limit x tending to pi by 2. This is also I can, to balance this one, can I write as tan 5x by 5x into 5x. Now you know that limit tan 4x by 4x, tan 4x by 4x is 1. This is 1. Right? This is 1. Correct? No. Is it 1? Check it. How much it is? This is cancelled. No. I don't think this is 1. X is tending to pi by 2. If I substitute x is tending to pi by 2, 4x is tending to where? 4 pi by 2. That is cancelled 2 pi. Tan 2 pi answer is how much? Tan 2 pi. See, you not understand. See, this is I will tell you. Listen here. It's not right. Just wait. I'll say here this is limit x tending to pi by 2. Here tan I substitute here. I'll substitute the limit. Okay, directly I'll substitute the limit. Tan 4 into pi by 2 divided by tan 5 into pi by 2. Tan odd multiple of pi by 2 answer is how much? Tan odd multiple of pi by 2. Tan odd multiple of pi by 2.
Infinity.
Infinity, correct. This is infinity. And tan even multiple of, like here you are going to get tan 2 pi. Tan 2 pi is going to get a finite value. Tan 2 pi is how much?
0.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
0. So 0 by infinity is how much? 0 by infinity. 0 by infinity is how much? 0 है ना? 0 by infinity how much? 0 ना? 0 by infinity is how much? Purva?
Yes, sir. 0.
Then I can write this is equal to 0. What is the value of k here? Minus 2 by 5. That is the answer. So answer is minus 2 by 5. K value is minus 2 by 5. So this is JEE Mains 2017 question. 2017 question.
So it is 4 by 5 whole to the power of 0. No?
Oh, right. Sorry. Yeah. 4 by 5 whole power 0. Yeah, you are right. Right. Sorry. So therefore, I get 4 power whole power 0 is how much? 1. So I am going to get this answer is limit value will be 1. So answer is K is equal to, very good. Good observation. I forgot. Actually, when I solved this one, I thought it was solved for LHS. So K is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. So K is equal to, I get 3 by 5 is the answer. Options are there. I'll write the options. See, I have checked the options, so in that option also 5 by 2 is there. So I thought that is the answer. Option A is the given 7 by 20, 17 by 20. Option B they given 2 by 5. Option C they given 3 by 5. Option D they given minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5. So I thought you got minus 2 by 5, na? So I thought answer is there. Okay. You are right. Pooja, it is correct. So here, did you understand what I explained? Did you understand all? This is a special question, that's why I explained. I thought this is a special question. People will confuse because here is the area you will people confuse. 0 by infinity is 0. This concept you have to know. And here multiple of odd pi is infinity and 2 pi is 0. 0 by infinity is 0. So what I write here 4 by 5 whole power 0, and then this value will become 1. So 1 it is there, means K plus 2 by 5 is 1. So K value will be 3 by 5. Option is C is the right answer. Option C correct answer. Any doubts? Anybody have any doubts? Yes, Prathamesh, you are right. Yeah. Understood everybody? Any doubts? This is 2017 JEE Mains question. Okay, interesting, right? Yes. Shruti, you are not answering. Prathamesh, Pooja. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. So let's move on to the next question. See, if I want to explain any chapter, we have many questions to explain, sir. There is no end for any chapter. But exactly what topics I have to cover, that will make, see, what I feel is, if I cover these things, whether you are going to solve the question paper or not, that is my intention. What JEE previously asking, what type of questions they are asking, what type of questions they maximum ask, so I try to cover that points. Okay, that power. If I cover that points, it will be easy to you to write JEE Mains examination. That will not be a difficult at all. So that is the reason I just cover particular points here, which is important. That particular points I cover. So almost we have done with all these limits concept and continuity concept. But still, if you have any doubts, I will explain. But one thing is, you try solving the questions and keep asking the doubts. So I will complete. I will teach next period whenever you get doubts. Okay. I'll give one question homework. Can I give homework or can I explain? चलो explain करता हूँ. अच्छा question देख के explain करता हूँ. First I will find out good question, then I will explain. So this is one of the good questions. So write down. Let f of x is equal to log 1 plus x square plus log 1 minus x plus x square divided by sec x minus cos x. X is not equal to 0. Then the value of f of 0, then the value of f of 0, so that f is continuous, at x is equal to 0. Options I'll give: option A 1, option B 0, option C 2, option D -1. So this is the question now. The question is log 1 plus x square plus log 1 minus x plus x square upon sec x minus cos x, where x is not equal to 0. Then the value of f of 0, so that f is continuous at x equal to 0. Tomorrow I am going to start differentiability, last topic. After this, one more thing here. When I want to say that those who have completed vectors concept, you please message me once, because differentiability afters are told to take vectors. So I am going to teach after differentiability vectors and 3D. Once vectors will complete, then I will start the 3D. According to sir plan, this was said to take 2D vectors and 3D, so I will take that. So now listen here, f of x is equal to, question is log 1 plus x square plus log 1 minus x plus x square upon sec x minus cos x when x is not equal to 0. Then the value of f of 0, so that f is continuous at x equal to 0. F of 0. What value of f of 0 means limit you have to find. The meaning of this is what? F of 0 will be equal to what? Limit of the function. Nah? If it is continuous, f of 0 will be equal to limit of the function. Means he is saying directly, indirectly to find the limit of the function. So what is you get here? Limit extending to 0. 0 पर check करना है, because he is asking f of 0. So you have to check for 0. Limit extending to 0 log 1 plus x square plus log 1 minus x plus x square divided by sec can be written as what? What can I write sec? Sec I can write 1 by cos. 1 by cos x minus cos x. Correct? So what I am going to get here, limit. This color is visible or not, I don't know. I'll change the color. Limit extending to 0. Log a into log b, log a plus log b formula, log ab means 1 plus x square into 1 minus x plus x square divided by, if I take cos x LCM, I get 1 minus cos square x I'll get. Therefore I can write what here? Limit x tending to 0 on the top. Tell me, this is already I told many times. 1 plus x square into 1 minus x plus x square value is how much? Anybody tell me? इसका product क्या आएगा?
1 plus x square plus x power 4.
Yes, good. So I can write as log 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by, है ना? Yeah, any doubts? Yeah, divided by, कुछ mistake लिख रहा हूँ नहीं ना? Divided by, see 1 minus cos square x, can I write sin square x? So sin square x by cos x. Sin square x by cos x, how to write? Tan x into sin square x, can I write sin x into sin x? Sin x by cos x is tan x. So can I write limit extending to 0 log, I get as 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by tan x into sin x. Tan x into sin x can I write? चलो सर, इसको शांत करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, है ना? इसको शांत करना है ना, शांति करना है तो x से मल्टीप्लाई x से डिवाइड करना है. इसको भी शांति आना है तो x से मल्टीप्लाई x से डिवाइड किया तो शांति आ गया. तो शांति आया तो क्या करें, tan x बाई एक्स ये तो 1 हो जाएगा, sin x बाई एक्स ये भी 1 हो जाएगा, है ना, लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0, है ना. So what I get here, limit extending to 0, I get here log I am getting here 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x into x is x square. चलो x square है. हाँ अभी तक तो ठीक है सर, अभी तक तो ठीक है, मगर आपको पता है लॉग का फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज द लॉग फॉर्मूला? लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 ln 1 plus x upon x is 1. तो उधर x है तो नीचे भी x होना चाहिए, इधर x है तो नीचे x होना चाहिए, तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करो तो वो शांति मिल जाएगी, 1 आ जाएगा. करेंगे, अभी तक कॉपी करो, मैं बोलता हूँ. प्लीज नोट डाउन टिल दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन. पूजा सेड 1 1 1 1. सर 1 आ गया आंसर, 1 है क्या? पता नहीं सर, एक बार देखते हैं. प्रथमेश ओके, देखता हूं सर, मैंने देखा नहीं, एक मिनट. कितना है आंसर? आई या करेक्ट करेक्ट. आ गया आपको शांति, आ गया सर, कुछ जल्दी आता है शांति. ओके ओके, कॉपी कर दो, इधर इधर ए स्टेप्स तो कॉपी करो, लास्ट स्टेप करूंगा. You are understanding or not? Whether you are understanding or no?
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Okay. पूजा, आदित्य, श्रुति, पूर्वा, प्रथमेश, सार्थ, you are there in online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, sir. Yes. So now just see here. See, sometimes may you not understand these concepts because मैं क्या करता हूँ, थोड़ा difficult level पढ़ाता हूँ कभी कभी, तो आपको difficult हो जाए. See here, but try to understand this. If you learn difficult level ना, CET में तो कुछ भी नहीं रहता है. तो जेई मेंस एडवांस का क्वेश्चंस भी मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ सर, सो ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको कवर हो जाता है. इधर क्या है, log 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square. What I do here, I multiply with x square plus x power 4 into x square plus x power 4. So you know that what happens, this whole funda, na, this whole x is tending to 0, log this one will become 1 answer because it's the standard limit ना, ये standard limit है, ये तो 1 आ जाएगा. तो ये पूरा 1 हो गया, तो क्या बचा है, लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 x square plus x power 4 by x square. On the top x square take common, x square top किया, 1 plus x square divided by x square. X square cancel. Substitute limit. 1 plus 0 square is 1 answer. Answer is 1, option A correct answer. How you done? Is that same way you have done? Ranjit, okay, Ranjit, you are there, very good. Same way, Anush. Yeah, fine. Okay, like this you have to do, sir. Any doubts you have? Built-in limit में आपके कुछ doubts है तो बता देना, पहला ही बता दो. टाइम वेस्ट मत करना, पहले ही बताया तो मैं बता दूंगा सर क्या करना है, कैसा करना है. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी बिल्डिंग है ना, आपको 2-3 मेथड में से भी पढ़ा सकते हैं उसको, इसीलिए मैं पूछ रहा इतना बार. सी वेरी सिंपल थिंग इज, उसको है ना रीडिफाइन करना है, फंक्शन को रीडिफाइन करना है, करने के बाद उसका डिसकंटिन्यूटी चेक करना है, बस उतना ही. चलो ये क्वेश्चन देखो सर, ये भी अच्छी क्वेश्चन है. लिमिट f of x is equal to, so sin greatest integer x divided by greatest integer x. For greatest integer x is not equal to 0. is equal to 0 for greatest integer x is equal to 0. Sorry. The question is, this is the question, option A. I'll write the option. Option A, continuous at x is equal to 0. Option B, discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Option C, LHL is equal to 0. Option D, RHL is equal to 1. So these are the options. चलो चेक करते हैं ना, सॉल्व करते हैं सर. f of x is equal to sin greatest integer x upon x. चलो इसको रीडिफाइन करना है सर. आपको पता है ना व्हाट इज दैट हियर, हम बोलते हैं ना ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर. सपोज ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर x is equal to suppose greatest integer n is there. Let us take greatest integer n is equal to n when n is belongs to where n comma n plus 1 open. For suppose if I am taking x, I repeat again here, this meaning is greatest integer x is equal to x when x is belongs to x comma x plus 1. Did you agree this? Did you agree that point? Huh? Yes, na? Very good. If you agree that point, now tell me here, f of x is equal to, I am going to redefine this function. So can I write f of x is equal to sin greatest integer x upon greatest integer x, greatest integer upon greatest integer x, na? Yes, greatest integer x upon greatest integer x. This is defined when, see, I'll write first down one, so you will understand more easily. The first down one is, this I write here 0 for is given greatest integer x is 0. So greatest integer x is 0 when happens? When x is in between of 0 to 1. Greatest integer x is 0 happens when x is in between of 0 to 1. And sin greatest integer of x when happens? When greatest integer x not equal to 0. Try to understand what I am speaking. Please try to understand this. ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर x 0 होगा जब ये 0 है तो x का वैल्यू क्या होगा. सी हियर, मुझे क्या है ना, कंप्लीटली ये याद रखो, मुझे फंक्शन को x में लेके आना है, तब मुझे डिसकंटिन्यूटी कंटिन्यूटी चेक करना इजी होता है. वो बिल्टिंग लिमिट में भी वही किया हमने. तो इधर क्या किया, ये हमने इधर लिखा ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर x is 0. दिस हैपेंस when x is in between of 0 to 1. So then the greatest integer of x is 0, then 0 to 1 when 1 is not included. And sin greatest integer of x is whatever is there is given that greatest integer x is not equal to 0. इसका define क्या होगा? For इसका definition क्या होगा? Minus infinity to. This is happens when except not equal to 0. ये 0 हो गया, not, it means on the real number minus this. Real number minus this means this is minus infinity to 0 union where to where बोलते नहीं कोई, minus infinity to 0 union 1 to infinity. Did you agree this? Did you agree this point? All you agree this? BS na sir. BS means What you said, BS tomorrow? I didn't understand. Okay, sir. Okay, I will explain this last question. Okay, BS means bus. Acha, bus. Okay. Acha, देखो. Okay, sir. Okay, I am going to start. Yeah. Now here, just see here, 0 to 1, see, when you are going to take 0 to 1, right hand limit and left hand limit I have to check. See, option A, B, C, D I have, where it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So, now what I do here, I take for 0. Tell me what is a 0 place. F of, what I want to say here, F of 0 minus left hand limit. I am taking it left hand limit because LHL means 0 minus. LHL means 0 minus. 0 minus, you will get interval upper one or down one. Can you tell me? For 0 minus, will you get upper limit or lower limit?
Upper limit.
Upper limit. That's good. That's good. That's great. So sine of greatest integer x divided by greatest integer x. चलो सर 0 माइनस के लिए चेक करना है तो हमको पता है 0 माइनस मींस लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट दैट इज f of 0 minus h I can substitute with when limit h tending to 0. Okay, if I apply this way, so what I get here, sine of greatest integer 0 minus h divided by greatest integer 0 minus h I get. So 0 minus h. 0 minus h is how much? Greatest integer of 0 minus h is how much?
Minus 1.
Huh?
Minus 1.
Very good, very good, very good. Sine of minus 1 upon minus 1. Right? Sine of minus 1 upon minus 1. So what I get here? Sine 1 I will get. Means LHL I got sine 1. But here LHL given 0. So C is wrong answer. This is advanced level. Okay, you have to understand these points. Okay. So now RHS, I can go for RHS. RHS means what? It's a very simple question, right? RHS means what? F of 0 plus. If I take for f of 0 plus, if I go for f of 0 plus, 0 plus means where? 0 plus means this branch. So this flag f of 0 plus answer is how much? 0. So RHL they given means this is RHL. This RHL is how much I got? 0. LHL how much I got? Sine 1. LHL wrong. RHL wrong. And LHL is not equal to RHL. This is not continuous. Then what is the answer? B discontinuous. Over, done. Okay, this is the end of the topic. Okay. We have completed continuity topic. Still we can do many wonders, many questions because it is calculus. Calculus has huge questions. We can do n number of questions unlimitedly. But I covered all type of questions, maximum greatest integer, fractional part x, maximum what are the types are there, maximum what are the examples are there, all have covered. Still you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to start differentiability. So I explained today extra questions. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye sir.